Hello everyone, I hope you are having a great day. My name is Isam and welcome to the channel. So today I'm heading for another camping adventure. It's the end of the year. Yesterday was Christmas, so we're on the 25th or 26th. I'm sorry, I got 2 weeks off. I'm not keeping track with the date. So yeah, it's all my Honda, it's all loaded. We're gonna head to the same camping spot as the last video, but we're gonna try something different. I have a different camping setup, so I'm gonna be testing. I'm not sponsored by anybody. I'm just gonna be reviewing few things. We're gonna do stuff differently this time, so if you want to watch it, stay with me. And happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Thank you so much, and let's have some fun, man. Let's go. Are you guys from here? Closer? Do you live closer over here?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a really beautiful spot.
It is.
Yeah, we were here
when it used to be open to the public.
Ah, nice.
And you could camp back in there, and
we were here like a couple months ago, but we had to go all the way to the other side because all this area over here, I think the army or they don't allow anybody to camp here. Yeah.
Right. They don't anymore, but they used to.
Yeah, it's a beautiful spot.
It is.
Yeah.
It's a shame it's that way.
Yeah, it is what it is.
Yep.
You just need a couple people to ruin it for everybody. So I was talking to some locals. I think I got them on camera, and they were telling me like there is black bears over here, mantle lions, bobcats, raccoons, coyotes, a large of predators and wildlife, other animals. So this time I have no weapon. I have absolutely nothing. I have a little pocket knife, so that is not gonna do crap. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, set up the tent and see the new setup. I didn't even try it at home, so it's still on the box. And let's give it a try, see how feels like. So I find this little spot over here. It's covered with moss. It's almost like a carpet, nice and soft. Look at that. It's really nice. It's like a carpet. So I think this is where I'm gonna set my tent. I'm gonna clean some of these rocks and sticks from here, and I will go ahead and set up camp. Look what I find. Somebody was shooting over here. The deer season is over, so get all these sticks off from here so it doesn't pop. So when you start cleaning, look what I find. Looks like this is for the tent. This ground is really hard, so let's see if I can get mine in there. Look at that little tiny mushroom. I don't know, I wonder if this is eatable or not. Okay, walnut. Okay, clean my carpet. More mushrooms. I need a broom over here. Make it faster. More mushrooms. Some big rocks hiding under the moss. Hopefully it doesn't pop my My new mattress. Box over here. So for the shelter, I'm using the one person backpacking tent from the Ozark Trail, Walmart product. They're 3.7 pound. They cost $32.64. For the sleeping bag, I'm using the Ozark Trail, the same brand. The writing on it is 35 degree and weighs around 4.6 pound and costs $22.44 dollars. And for the mattress, I'm using the Dura Beam Standard, the Intex twin size. It weighs 4.5 pound and costs $16.94. And for the, you're gonna need a pump, because I tried to pump this bag with my, my lungs, and I got tired. So you are gonna end up buying a pump, and the pump is for $14.50, and weighs around 1 pound 12. So it's not very heavy. You can put everything in one bag if you have a dry bag. I have a 30 liter. I can fit there all my sleeping system, but the tent I put it in the rear seat. So yeah, you can fit, like if you have a bigger bag like 60 liter, you can fit all that stuff over there, and the whole bag is not gonna weigh more than 15 pound. And so the total price for everything is gonna be around $86.52. And if you want to add a pillow, I'm using toddler pillow. So this pillow, we have it 5 years ago. It was for my daughter, and they are on Amazon, like a pair for $14, $9, depending what type, quality you're looking for. You can go cheap, or you can go expensive. The most expensive ones, you are gonna get them like for $20. You still can keep the price under $100 for the sleeping system. There is a little bit of room over here where I can throw my shoes and some of the gear. So far looks good. I'm gonna throw the sleeping bag in there and see what's happened. Well, here is the final product. It took me maybe, I'll say like 45 minutes to get everything set up. As you see, the mattress sticking really up over here. I didn't put too much air, so it's not too hard. And here's the sleeping pad, and the pillows right over there. We're gonna try this tonight. Let's see how it goes. So now I'm just gonna put a tarp I have over here, so I can have a little shade for some of this gear. I got a little space. I showed you that before. I will throw some stuff in there. There is packets, 2 packets in the side, so that's gonna be handy. So I'm gonna start gathering some firewood over here. This is where we decided we're gonna, my friend, he's still gonna come over here. He had to leave work a little bit late, and it takes him about a couple hours to get here. So we're gonna set up fire over here. My spot, it's all the way in the back right there. So let's see how it goes. I can't hear his bike. Looks like he's getting here on time. That KTM engine sounds like something is stuck over there. It's rattling. He's all the way back there. he's going up that way. Good job! Yeah. Oh. Sparkle? Oh, a rockwood sparkle. I find one. Yeah, I find one earlier like that. It's pretty cool.
Turn the sparkles outward.
Or making some kofta. Kofta. It's hamburger meats mixed with spices, but not fully. It's gonna taste very good. Got some hamburger buns over here, and we are gonna make some green tea. Yeah. This is my alarm going off. They won't stop. That means it's time for breakfast. Good morning, everybody. The nights got really cold, and I had to add a jacket. I was in my sleeping bag. I had it like on one side, then I had to zip it. I was using it as a regular blanket, but then I realized I have to make a burrito and get inside. It's so cold. There's too much noise going outside right now. At 3:40 in the morning, I started losing air on my pad. So I think the plug is leaking air, so I had to open it, add more air to it, shut it. So far it's fine, it's good. Now we're gonna go ahead and make some breakfast.